The engine start sequence now underway. Second umbilical has retracted. We have main engine start. Turbo pumps up to flight speed. 3, 2, 1. Ignition and liftoff. Liftoff of the Progress 58 cargo ship on a fast-track flight to the International Space Station. All parameters are normal, engines up to maximum thrust. The Soyuz booster disappearing into a bank of clouds over the Baikonur Cosmodrome at the 45-second mark into the flight. The fly-around is underway by the Progress as it maneuvers itself automatically to align its forward docking probe to the aft port of the Zvezda service module. The Progress about 3/4 of the way around the approach corridor to the International Space Station's aft port of Zvezda. Once the Progress has aligned itself to Zvezda, it will put the brakes on for a few moments of station keeping to allow flight controllers at the Russian Mission Control Center in Korolyov to check the data before the command is issued for final approach and docking.
Range is 210. The range rate is 0.1. We're watching the image. Everything is going well. So far, so good. Copy.
Good view of thruster firings on the Progress craft as it gently makes its way toward the completion of its fly-around, placing itself about 150 meters directly behind the aft port of the Zvezda service module for a brief period of station keeping.
And clear.
The Progress and the International Space Station are currently moving from southwest to northeast in an orbit inclined 51.6 degrees to either side of the equator at an altitude of 256 statute miles, flying over the border between Ecuador and Colombia, about to cross the northern coast of South America and almost directly over San Juan, Puerto Rico.
0.25. Stable, good motion. All is nominal. Copy, Alexander.
Progress about to reach the 50-meter mark, closing at a rate of some 0.2 of a meter per second.
Range is 50. Range rate is 0.2. The image is clear and crisp. The motion is stable. No issues to report. And we have a good visual on the target. Copy. Range is 47. Copy, Alexander.
Russian flight controllers reporting all of the angles. The orientation of the Progress is perfect.
The target and the crosshairs are within 1 degree of the center. Right now it's a little bit downward and to the right, and we just got a message that the antenna has been retracted. Copy. The target is slowly moving towards the center of the electronic crosshairs. The motion is stable. Copy.
Just a few meters to go. The International Space Station and the Progress 58 cargo craft currently flying directly over San Juan, Puerto Rico.
Target is moving upward within about a half a degree off the center. Copy.
Наблюдаем электронное перекрестие.
And we're watching electronic crosshairs. Copy.
Дальность примерно 12.
Range is about 12 meters.
0,12.
Range rate is 0.12.
Справа полградуса.
The target is half of a degree towards the right of the center.
Мишень видим четко.
The crosshairs are aligned. The target is clearly visible.
That is the translation of Alexander Samokutyaev inside Zvezda, calling out the range to docking, as well as the rate of closure by the Progress on its docking target, which is the aft port of the Zvezda service module.
Дальность 8 метров.
Range 8 meters.
Изображение четкое.
Approaching
Помеха, но мы
nominally. The image is kind of jittery, but we're still watching and we see everything clearly.
хорошо.
Copy, and we're watching the same video here. Excellent, Alexander.
Дальность
Range 5 meters.
мишень.
Now inside 5 meters as we stand by for contact and capture of the International Space Station.
Electronic crosshairs. And range rate is 0.11. Copy.
Есть малое кольцо.
Принято.
Скорость минус
Range
11.
is 0.11.
Ожидаем касания.
Standing by for contact. Crosshairs are aligned.
Все четко.
Everything is clear.
Ожидаем касания.
Standing by for contact. Contact.
Docking confirmed.
Capture confirmed.
Capture confirmed at 10:57 a.m. Central Time.
Copy, Alexander.
As the International Space Station and Progress 58 flew 257 statute miles over the Atlantic Ocean to the northeast of Puerto Rico.